What's up, guys? So, I don't know if you guys know or not, but bobs are in and bobs are like popping. I almost want to say bobs are taking over at this moment, but anywho, I will be doing a tutorial and also an in-depth review on this bob. So, keep on watching. All right, guys. So this wig comes from a company by the name of Angel Grace. They have pretty basic packaging, nothing special or anything like that. So as you guys can see what the wig looks like, it's very flowy. It has like a natural luster to it. The hairline doesn't appear to be very pre-plucked or anything like that, just from the looks of it now. You get a very deep parting space. You get some combs in there, and you also get a little adjustable strap that comes on the wig. You don't actually get an elastic band or anything in the wig. So this is what the hairline looks like. It looks really thick. So um, you guys may have to go in and kind of customize that a little bit if you'd like. But this is the wig. The wig looks really, really good though. The cut looks amazing. Just great. So I'm going to go in and actually try to customize this hairline a little bit to match my hairline because it's a bit too thick for me. You could do this, or if you don't want to, you don't really have to, but I'd recommend it just to make it look a little bit more natural because no one has like a super thick hairline like that. So here I'm just cutting off the lace, nothing special or anything like that. Just cutting it, and then I'm going to be going in and actually laying the wig down. As I stated, this wig isn't glueless, so to say, and what really makes a wig glueless is an elastic band. So this doesn't come with one inside the wig, nor does it come with one like in the box. Some companies will include it in the box. So if you'd like this to be glueless, you'll have to sew on your own elastic band. Okay, so I'm just going in with some got to be gel and laying the wig down. So here, all I'm doing is flat ironing the hair, kind of getting that really hard bump out of it and making it how I want it. So I'm just going to be going in with some mousse. Any type of styling, foam or mousse would work. I like using mousse because it just gives you like that natural soft look, and it also lays your hair down really, really well. And I had a few flyaways, and after this step I'll just be going in and defining my part, just making it a little bit wider. Okay, I like for my parts to look more so natural. I don't think anyone's part is just super, super skinny. Alright, so now that you guys have seen like the way the wig is made and also the styling tutorial, let's get into like my actual in-depth thoughts about this wig. Okay, so for starters, this is a 14-inch bob wig. Okay, let me start off by saying I absolutely love the cut. The cut is going into like a swing bob where it kind of goes like this. Okay, and I love that. Okay, so we all know that bobs are popping. They are very popular now. They're like the it thing. They've been popular, but you know, they're just growing, growing, growing. So I am going to tell y'all this wig does not come with an elastic band, nor does it come with like, it doesn't come with an elastic band built in, nor does it come with one like in the box. Okay, so for those of you who like glueless units and who, you know, you may not want to use any type of adhesive, which is including glue or gel, you may want to think about that. Okay, but you can always just sew in your own elastic band. You know, you can go pick up elastic bands. Are very inexpensive. It's just, you know, a lot more convenient like whenever they add it in, they already have it in the wig or it's added in the box. I just feel like it's so much more convenient. And then a lot of other companies are starting to do that. Okay, they're starting to either add because a lot of them notice that the whole glueless thing is like on the rave, so they're kind of doing it. But keep that in mind that it doesn't come with the elastic band inside, nor does it come with one. Also, the knots are not pre-bleached. Okay, so you are gonna have to bleach these knots if you would like to. However, I did not bleach my knots. I just added a little bit of makeup, and I think it worked out pretty well. So you don't get any, your knots aren't bleached, and you don't get like any already like baby hairs going on, because some wigs come like where it already has the baby hairs. So also take that into consideration. But you know, that may not be a big deal to some people. I'm just going to say that I don't believe that this wig is beginner friendly. Okay, I keep putting my hands in my hair and it's making it look all frizzy. But anyway, this, I would say that this isn't really too much is beginner friendly. It's not going to be a wig that you're going to put on and go. Okay, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. You are going to have to do some things to it, as far as a little bit of manipulation, a little bit of plucking to your liking if you'd like to do that. I just feel like it'll look a little bit more natural if you pluck it. So plucking, bleaching, and if you want to wear it glueless, you'll have to install an elastic band. Okay, so, but the hair is nice. It's very, very soft. And like I said, they did great on the cut. I just love the way it moves. This hair is not stiff at all. Okay. And it's the perfect length for a bob. I find that a lot of companies, when they send bobs, when they have bobs available, the bobs aren't lengthy enough for everyone, if that makes a lot of sense. Okay, some of the bobs are just too short, you know, and for me it could be a perfect size, but for another person it could be too short and it could look awkward. Some bobs are cut wrong, one side be long, one side be short, but I didn't have that problem with this company. The bob is cut perfectly and it's just really, really, really cute. Okay, I did tack my wig down with some got to be glue gel. Okay, with some got to be gel, and yeah, it's holding it pretty well. And this is just what it looks like, guys. Like I said, I did not bleach the knots or anything like that. It pretty much just blends on with my skin. I didn't lay any baby hairs either, because I just wanted to keep this wig just looking as natural as possible. And it's definitely the it wig. Like, it's definitely popping. Alright, as you guys can see, I didn't add any like shine or anything to the hair. That's like the natural luster that it has to it. And it did come in this natural, it's like a dark brown, because it's like black basically. Look, it looks black to me. At first I like it's dark brown. I think it's more so of a black. But anywho, you guys, I would say that the wig is great. You know, it's been holding up pretty well. Also, it did good on like when I was flat ironing and stuff. It didn't smell like it was burning. It didn't have like a burning smell or anything like that. So it's, I mean, the wig is nice. It's nice. It's just that, in my opinion, it isn't beginner friendly. Okay, so if you're a first time wig wearer, I probably would tell you guys to maybe do something, go with something else. But if you feel like you just want to take it on and you want to plug and bleach and install your own elastic band, then I mean, go for it. Okay, but anyways, guys, all the specs will be down below.
What else? Any questions, comments, concerns? That'll be down below too. You can leave those down below also. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Will you be trying it out? And just leave me your thoughts. I'll see you on my next one.